Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp campaigns easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab located on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select the email option from the list of campaign types. Choose a name for your campaign and click Begin. In the next screen, select the recipients for your campaign. You can choose an entire audience or create a segment. Set the from name and email address to ensure it appears professional. Click Next to move on to the campaign content. Choose between using a templates section or designing your own layout. If you select a template, browse through the available options. Once you find a template you like, click on it to start editing. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your content. You can add text blocks, images, buttons, and more. Make sure to personalize your message to engage your audience. Keep an eye on the preview panel to see real-time changes. Use the style options to adjust fonts, colors, and alignment. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Close to return to the campaign setup. Now click Next to review your campaign settings. Take a moment to double-check all the details, including recipients and content. When everything looks good, click Schedule or Send based on your preference. If scheduling, select the date and time for your campaign to go out. Confirm your selection and hit Schedule Campaign. Your campaign is now created and will be sent as per your settings. You can track the performance of your campaign under the Reports tab later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.